Good morning, my dear students. We were discussing the question answers of chapter 7, Sabina's Race. We already discussed question number 1. Today we will discuss question number 2 and 3. I hope you already wrote the first question and its answers into copy. After the discussion of this question answers, we will start our revisions and unit tests. So the exercise B, answer the questions with a reference to context. Question number 2. I asked Sabina if she wanted to have a glass of tea at the nearby stall. No, she said. I had better go. My family wakes up by 5. Question A. Where are the two speakers? They are at Nehru Park. Question B. What had they been doing there? They were practicing for the sports day of Sabina's school. They were doing running practices. Question number C. Why did they meet so early in the morning? The answer is Sabina wished to participate in school sports event, but her family is against that. By seeing the strong determination of Sabina, Anjana decided that both of them will take practices at Nehru Park at 4 a.m. while everyone still asleep. They both want to hide this practice, especially from the eyes of Sabina's family. That's why they met so early in the morning. Last question. Why did Sabina not want to stay? The answer is Sabina does not want to stay there for a long because she came to that Nehru Park at 4 a.m. without informing her parents. She wants to participate in school sports event, but her family is against that. So, Sabina came out of the house early morning at 4 o'clock and she wants to go back before her family wakes up by 5. The next question of answer the questions with reference to context. Question number 3. 9 girls gathered at the end of the track, bent and panting, but the 10th kept running. Question number A. What event is being referred to here? The race, which was taking place in the government high school on that Saturday, is being referred here. The race which Sabina wants to participate in. Question B. Who was the 10th runner? What was different about her appearance? The answer is the 10th runner is Sabina. As she ran, her black burqa swelled outside behind her like a thick black cloud of smoke. When all other participants were wearing tracksuits, Sabina was with her traditional religious dress burqa. That made her appearance different from other participants. Question number C. Why do you think she ran keeping her identity secret? The answer is there are 2 reasons for hiding her identity in secret. The first one is Sabina wants to participate in that race. She gave her name for the trials but did not attend that, so that her name was not there in the last list, so that she wanted to hide her face from the teachers and all other participants. The second reason is Sabina's family is not happy with her wish to participate in a school sports event, but her strong wish to participate in that school sports event compelled her to hide her identity and run, so that her family will not come to know about her participation. Last question. Why do you think she kept running even after finishing the race? The answer is Sabina finished first in that race even though her name was not there in the list. She ran without showing her face in her religious dress burqa. She kept running even after finishing in the first position because she does not want to reveal her identity. It was just for her personal satisfaction. She wished to participate in a race and she finished in the first position. If she stands there, the teachers and the audience will find out who ran and who finished first. That information will go to her family, who was against her wish to participate in that sports event. So, in order to hide herself, She kept running even after finishing the race. Dear students, this is the end of question answer discussion. The next day onwards, we are starting our revision.